This is the Royal Kludge M75. I'm totally excited because this is menu and my first mechanical keyboard ever. First off, let's open the box. Inside here, we got a user manual and of course the keyboard wrapped in this foam. Wow, look at this. Then we got a USB-C to C cable, a keycap spooler, and extra switches. And here's the RK M75. Let's turn it on. There you go. This keyboard uses a 75% layout, which is the layout I prefer because I need the F-rows. It has an OLED screen to show the battery mode. And this cool RGB backlight. And oh, it's using silver switches. Alright, let's do the sound test.